Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades that I have for Bitcoin, what I think is going to be happening, my trades that I have for Ethereum. I'm going to show you some interesting things that have been happening in the markets. We had a big drop off on Bitcoin earlier this morning, and then a big recovery on Elon Musk tweeting that he owns Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, and that he hasn't sold and he's not selling, which is very interesting. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I hope you're having a beautiful day. This is James from Crypto Guru. I want to give you some advice. Always think what you want to have happen. Everyone always thinks what they don't want to have happen. I don't want to pay this bill. I'm very worried about this. I'm very worried about that. Stop thinking about what you don't want to have happen. Only think about what could go right, what you want to have happen. Can I make $1 billion today? Can I make an amazing video that goes viral and gets hundreds of thousands of viewers? What happens if everything in my life turns out amazing? Think what you want to have happen, unlike most of the people that think what they don't want to have happen. If you have some life advice, let me know in the comments for everyone, sharing it around all the community. There's around 70,000 of us, 20,000 on Twitter, 60,000 on MCraft on Twitter, 60,000 in the MCraft Telegram. So we're a huge community of hundreds of thousands of people. So comment down below, what life advice would you want to pass on to your kids, for example? Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. I've also got some amazing news for MCRT coming up. So in charts for Bitcoin, on the daily, we had this big drop earlier today, and then Elon Musk tweeted and pushing it back up. Look at that, we broke that trend line. This is the candle. What you're watching here is Bitcoin's price moving over time on the daily. So this is going back since January of this year. We've pretty much just been going sideways, but we have been making higher lows each time. Higher lows, even with this drop today and this bounce, higher low. Trend is your friend. Now we're starting to trend up. Volume predicts price. Huge volume coming in, almost all-time high volumes coming in for Bitcoin. On the dailies, which is beautiful. Stochastic is very oversold. Squeeze mob is building pressure. Stochastic oversold, turning to head up. We're still holding on this trend line. The EMA ribbons, we're trying to get back into the EMA ribbons, but we're back underneath them, unfortunately. So we got to really get back in there to go bullish. VPVR, where we're sitting now above us at 38,800, is the strongest. Where we're sitting right now is the most buying selling. We also have very strong support at 38,000. And then the big resistance is all the way up here. So if we do get a rally at 42K, I will be closing my trades because that's a big area of resistance. The Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master course, is still saying a sell. It hasn't switched to a buy. And the Bitcoin indicator bot is still saying a sell. It hasn't switched to a buy. Stochastic oversold. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Money flow is flowing out of Bitcoin on the daily. So on the daily, it's oversold on the stochastic. On the 4-hourly, we are oversold heading up, but a big bounce back, and that pretty much made it overbought. The last few days, volume has been dropping off. We still have more to run on the 4-hourly, but it is almost overbought. So almost at the end of this run, which is not so good. It's kind of like Bitcoin is just really staying in this area, not really moving much. I have a long open on Bitcoin. We're still making higher lows, but the problem is the volume dropping off. We really need to get up a lot of volume to really keep up this bullish momentum on Bitcoin. Squeeze mob going towards the green side. Money flow is flowing back into Bitcoin after Elon's tweet. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy recently. It hasn't fired a sell. It's still a buy. So we're still quite bullish. The big resistance would actually be here. So if you haven't opened a trade on Bitcoin, where I would actually take profits is at the 42K according to the VPVR. This is the trade I have opened from earlier. So I would open a trade pretty much where we're sitting right now. I would be going long on Bitcoin with a very tight stop. Going long here at my stop loss below these supports at 36,000, and my take profit here at 42, where we have this big resistance on the VPVR. It's risking, it's almost a one-to-one trade, so it's not really that amazing to be opening a trade here actually on Bitcoin. Not the best place to be opening a trade. I still have a long open that was from earlier, but to open a trade here. But on the 4-hourly, we are oversold. The main reason that I'm going long on Bitcoin is on the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, we indicated that we've bottomed. We've got a lot of hammer candles. The weekly candle last week just closed about 7 hours ago, and it closed with a hammer, an inverse hammer, which is a bullish pattern. The stochastic is oversold heading up, and the squeeze mob has gone to the gray side from the red for the first time in months. The last time this happened was on the bottom in July 2021. So this is the reason I'm going bullish. I do think we've got close to the bottom on Bitcoin, if not already at the bottom of Bitcoin. That's why I started to go long. These are my trades. If you want to trade like me, I've got trades open on Bitcoin. If you go under the video here, you can use the same trading software as me. Underneath the video, smash up this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, join now more than 70,000 people. Click the join button if you want to follow my live trades in Bitcoin, stocks, in cryptos. You get notified of my trades live when you click this join. You join the YouTube membership. And underneath Bitcoin trading Bybit, this link down below, if you sign up, that's the trading software I use. You get a sign up bonus of $4,100 and I really like Bybit. It's my favorite exchange. Also, if you want to learn all this and get the indicators, the crypto master course, you can join 6,000 students and learn what I'm doing in the crypto master course. Once you sign up to Bybit, you get this software. So in here I have $178,800, $178,843. I'm holding 1.76 Bitcoin, which is about break even. I've got BIT, around $43,000 of BIT. I've got 41,000 of USDT to buy more on the bottom. CRV, I've got 12,000. DYDX, I've got 8,400. Those are the all-time holding. I've got a Bitcoin long open. It was in the negative around $200 earlier this morning, but with Elon's tweet bouncing back up, it's positive $107, 6% from 2 days ago when I opened this trade. My Ethereum long is up small, 1.5%. This trade is $16,000 Bitcoin trade. This Ethereum is a $9,700 Ethereum long, both going long. So I'm still long. Let's look at Ethereum now and see what that is telling us. Ethereum here. Ethereum on the 4 hourly is quite bullish. Squeeze mob going to green side. On the daily, it's also forming kind of bullish looking pattern here, in my opinion. It's not really a head and shoulders. It's failed the head and shoulders breakdown, which is interesting. On the daily, it's also oversold on the daily Ethereum. And turning to head up, which is quite bullish. On the weekly, also oversold, turning to head up. It hasn't turned gray on the weekly for Ethereum, but I am quite bullish on Ethereum. That's why I've gone long. So again, if you want to trade like me, Bitcoin trading Bybit, this link down below, sign up bonus. When you sign up, you get a $4,100 bonus when you deposit Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some things. The staking, MCRT staking, this is a designs from our developers, is coming soon. There's going to be different staking options. It's just the design. It isn't finalized yet, but it will be, the staking for MCRT will be releasing soon. It's our own staking. This is what it looks like. These are the staking kind of options. This is the design of the staking system for MCRT, which will be coming soon. Bitcoin on exchanges is almost at an all-time low on Bitcoin on exchanges. Look at that. There's barely any Bitcoin left on exchanges, which is very interesting. This could cause a mega short squeeze. And this is why I've been buying up Bitcoin, and I've gone long on Bitcoin, because at some point, no one's going to be selling Bitcoin anymore, and there's going to be only more demand for Bitcoin. 2020, Trump is going to start World War III. 2022, we need to start World War III. They're funny memes from Elon. You can follow me on Instagram. I have 5,200 people on Instagram. Make sure the name matches James Crypto Guru. There's so many fake accounts, so be careful out there. Make sure the name exactly matches this, James Crypto Guru. This one, oops, this name at the top. Okay, I can't. For some reason, this name at the top, make sure it matches exactly. What the scammers do is they put little different icons and different symbols, so be careful, make sure it matches exactly. MCraft also has now 5,000 people on its Instagram. This is the project that I'm the founder of. When you get up after spending 46 minutes on the toilet looking at memes and your legs don't work, this is what Elon tweeted just recently: I support the current thing. And this is 3D models from MCRT. This warrior looks epic. One of the names we're going to call him could be Doom Lord. If you have a comment, what would you like this warrior to be called? We're thinking of calling him Doom Lord. This is one of the designs from the studios. MCRT MCraft is an incredible project with an exponentially talented design team. Please ignore the FUD and negativity below, which seems to occur with highly successful crypto projects. Cheers to James, the best TA in human history. Thanks, James. Have made good returns just following your videos. Amazing help. You're welcome, Dan. Sub for a while. I got to say, the most honest channel out there. And Dan, you can see here, Dan and Julio are members. When you join that join button and you become a member, you get my live trades. Sub for a while. Got to say, the most honest channel out there. This is Elon's tweet that pumped the Bitcoin price and Doge. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge. Elon tweeting this just a few hours ago. I'll share some more information. That's the main news. So what do you think is going to happen? And join me on Twitter as well. I share so much stuff on Twitter. I nearly have 20,000 followers on Twitter, 19,600. And I share a lot of cool information on Twitter. Someone made a $1 million bet that Luna will be lower price in 1 year than it is now. A $1 million bet on Etherscan. You can see the actual bet being made. Very interesting. And yeah, you can check out this stuff that I share on Twitter. And now on Twitter, I am verified with this tick. So make sure you only follow this Twitter account with this blue tick. Thank you for watching, everyone. What do you think is happening? Do you think the bottom's in? And what do you want to name that character? I am voting for the name Doom Lord for this character. He looks epic. He's going to be like a warrior soldier guy. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up the thumbs up button. You're all amazing. Such a beautiful community. Join us in the Discord. Join us on MCRT. Join on the Twitter. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful day. Stay positive. Think only what you want to have happen. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.